Maybe.
Was
Will to survive, right? Will to survive, right?
Will to survive. I remember that night. Yeah.
Right?
Yep.
So this is a perfect example about not giving up. All right?
All right.
When I saw this video, it says officer gets shot.
Ooh.
Okay, so I just saw that and we're going to watch it. I don't know any details.
Okay.
We'll have to research the details if they want, but let's just check it out and see what happens, okay?
All right.
Okay. Oh, looks like they just did a pit, right?
Stopped. Okay.
Okay, good pit.
That was a great pit. Good spot, too.
Oh. Okay, so he's shooting at him from the inside.
His partner rolls up.
Tom unit. They're showing up.
Showing up. Hey, did I miss it? Is it over? Did I miss the war?
Is this a 401? You guys need me for a 401?
Yeah. Yeah, you can do the wreck when we're done, sir.
Oh, dude, you see him? He was running from... Okay, that's him running right there.
Uh-huh. The action cam.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Wow.
Okay.
I got hit. Show me your fucking hands! Get on the fucking ground!
I got hit. Look at him.
Yeah. You can tell he's trained.
I don't know about that backdrop, though.
Get on the ground!
Yeah.
You're getting fucking shot!
Woo.
Show me your fucking hands!
Oh, that was some good shooting.
Go!
Wow.
That's a far shot.
Show me your hands!
Fucking Camaro.
I had that thing in reverse. Yeah. The one time you can peel out legally in front of the cops and they don't care.
I think I hit. Something hit me.
Something hit you. Okay.
Red box!
Go up to him and disarm him.
Oh, yeah, he's shooting 3 times, right?
Yeah, pop the trunk. Oh. They're advancing on the car.
Oh, wow, look at that
Wow.
grouping, dude.
That was nice. So he shoots, then he bails.
Yep.
Foot chase is on, foot pursuit, and they drop him across the street. Yeah, it's good shooting.
Yeah, dude. See a Tom unit right there. Well, they hit him in the car. Looks like he's got blood there.
It was blood.
There's his gun right there.
Yep. There's some shell casing right there.
Oh. Wow, he had a 22 rifle.
That'll get you.
Yeah. That'll penetrate
Oh,
vest, man.
yeah.
That bullet's so small.
Yeah, that'll get you.
Dude, he got hit in the chest.
Ooh. Oh, and it actually stopped it. Nice. Well, I wonder if that was handgun or the 22.
Vehicle got hit 3 times.
Wow. Okay. So when he stopped, when everybody stopped, he just started unloading through his window.
Yeah.
The passenger side window,
Yeah.
shooting the cops.
Yeah.
And they returned fire.
Right.
Yeah, that's what you do.
But I'm amazed that guy, I think I'm hit, but he's the one that took him down.
Yeah. You keep fighting. You keep fighting, even if you're shot. Just because you get shot doesn't mean you're going to die.
Yeah.
If you get shot, you get shot.
Yeah.
I mean, unless it's a headshot. But even then, I've seen people shot in the face, head, and believe it or not, by the grace of God, they don't die. Some of them, but you know, you got to keep fighting. And when he mentioned the will to survive, when we went through the academy back in the day, there used to be called the will to survive. It was a test.
Yeah.
And they just didn't want you to give up fighting.
Yeah.
But it was a horrible thing. It was a
they don't even do that anymore.
They can't. It's too violent. And, you know, God forbid you teach officers how to fight.
How to survive.
How to survive. Nowadays, they just give them cupcakes and...
Please, sir.
Right? Maybe they bake a cake or something.
Please, sir.
Yeah.
Please, sir.
But anyway, the will to survive test was you go into a big room.
Blaring music.
It's pitch black, strobe light on, blaring music so you can hear nothing. It's filled with people. You start off with somebody mounting you.
Yeah.
And they ring the bell and the punches just start.
Yeah.
Now you got on gloves and stuff.
Fight your way out.
But black eyes, broken noses, knocked out teeth. You had to not stop for 3 minutes. You had to continue to fight.
Yeah. You have to
how bad you got
every
beat.
minute you had a new guy fighting you.
Yep. A new guy fighting you, and it was horrible. But it taught you how to take the pain and keep going.
Control yourself.
Control yourself, and because you want to win.
Yep.
Yeah, it was a crappy night, but we all got through it.
When my brother got shot, he said that he didn't really feel it because his adrenaline was pumping.
Right.
You know?
Yeah.
But he ended up, his sternum was cracked and one rib was broke.
Right. And he didn't know it.
He didn't know it.
Yeah, every cop I know probably 10 cops that got shot on duty. Every single one of them didn't know they were shot.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's not like the movies.
No.
It's not like the movies, that's for sure.
You have the adrenaline, and the bullet, you got to remember, is traveling 1,300 feet per second.
Yeah.
By the time it hits you and goes through you, you don't even have your brain doesn't even have time to relay the pain. Yeah. And with your adrenaline dump and everything going, most people don't feel it.
Yeah.
You know, most people don't feel it. So.
That's why when you see a subject get shot, he takes 4, 5, 6, 7 steps before he starts realizing his body realizes.
His brain realizes, yep you got to start shutting down.
Yeah.
So hopefully they went up and took him into custody.
I'm going to give him some donuts. What kind of donuts you thinking?
That was good. They did a good job.
The pit was good. The response was good.
The pit was great. Everything.
Tom unit showed up.
You know, yeah, Tom unit showed up. Again, we call them Tom units.
Motor cops
in Vegas. They're the ones who ride the motorcycles. All they do is accidents and tickets.
Yep.
And their call sign is Tom. So
you get pulled over by a Tom unit, there's no officer discretion. You're going to get a ticket.
They will give their own mother a ticket.
Ruthless.
And they brag about that like it's a good thing. They're a whole different breed.
They are.
But anyway, yeah, Tom unit showed up. I don't know if he shot or not, but the distance was good, especially the guys on the run.
Yeah.
Very hard to hit a moving target.
Yep.
At say, he looked like he was about 30 yards.
25, 30 yards.
So
yeah.
Very hard to hit a moving target. He did a great job.
He might have got some rounds though. Obviously he got some rounds in the car because he was bleeding in the car.
Yeah.
So he was hitting the car. And that grouping was pretty good from the car.
Was beautiful. Right? Yeah. That was tight. That was a good job.
Yeah.
10.
Backdrop. The only thing I have is that Camaro.
Yeah. When you're
Camaro.
Man, when you have buildings and you have people
again though, tunnel vision, man.
Yeah, you get the tunnel vision. Yeah, you always have to think about your backdrop, and then
I'm good with Ted Donuts.
To me, closing the distance is going to be more accurate shooting than shooting from far away. At least when you close the distance, the backdrop is going to
narrow it down.
It's going to narrow. It's going to shrink itself a little bit. So you're a little bit better. But these guys did a great job, and he's
stayed in the fight.
He's skillful enough to stay in the fight, and he knew his firearm.
Yeah. So
he knew, okay, I can hit this guy at this distance. And again, that comes with training. You don't train like that, and you don't pull the trigger if it's too far away.
Yeah.
So, I'd say 10 donuts.
Yeah, 10 donuts is good.
All right.
10 donuts.
If you have any comments, leave them below. Good shoot, bad shoot. Leave it below. How many donuts would you give them? I don't know. It's up to you.
We say 10.
Yeah, I say 10.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, too bad. Like, subscribe, ring the bell, click on the next video here. It's somewhere. You'll find it. Thanks for watching.
And for those who are still serving, have a safe tour of duty.
Make a difference in someone's life. Stay classy, Las Vegas.
Always.